You are trying to scam us. I won't pay back. Gambling is illegal. Yeah, it's illegal. We don't have to pay it back. Hey, you little brats. This is an open sea, not the mainland. Who dares not to repay, give it a try. Don't talk about leaving this ship. If you don't repay, you won't even leave this room. Believe it or not, I'll throw you into the sea.
What should I do? I never should have gambled. I want to go home.
Hurry up, call your family to repay the money. Sell your house if you need to. Take out loan if necessary.
Huaifei, you must find a way for me to get 500,000. I'll do anything you want.
With me around, don't worry. Come to my room tonight.
Xuanyuan, you previously said that the losses were your responsibility, and I owe that 700,000. The money you owe has nothing to do with me. I don't owe you anything. How could you do this? I said I wouldn't gamble. You forced me to play.
Ciao Jiajia, a gamble is a gamble. It won't help to involve Xuanyuan. You should figure out a way to repay the money. I'm starting to feel something's not right. How is it that all of us lost? Not a single one of us won. There's something fishy going on here. Fang Huifei, are you really helping us? Fellow classmates, listen to me. Don't resist. Don't entertain any false hope. This is open sea, and G-brother is the boss here. If you repay your debts, there won't be any trouble. However, if you don't repay, it will be difficult for me to protect you. I can see it now. You are speaking up for G-brother. You bastard must be in league with G-brother. Fang Huafei, doesn't your conscience hurt? That's what you are saying, but there's no proof. So shut up. Without proof, this is slander from you.
Exactly, this is slander. I believe Huaifei wouldn't do something like this. He's so kind, he even paid off my debts for me.
Could you please stop chattering? Listening to you, all talk is annoying. Repay the money quickly. If you don't, I'll chop off one of your hands first. However, madam, I can offer you some more lenient conditions. For example, Ms. Xiao Jiajia, if you come to my room, I can reduce your debt by 10,000 every night. How about that?
You're dreaming. If you dare to do that, I'll call the police.
Shame on you. Pay up the 70,000 now, immediately.
Jiajia, why don't you obey Brother G? It's also a solution. Shut up, Xuanyuan. It's all because of you. Otherwise, would I be like this? Ciao Jiajia, you really don't know what's good for you. Let me give you some advice. Can you resist Brother G here?
You can't come up with the money, can you? Tie her up and bring her to my room. Don't resist, and I'll go easy on you.
Don't come any closer.
Enough of this nonsense. Aren't you tired of acting all night just to get some money? You are in the way again. Beat him up. Kid, you brought this on yourself. Xuanyuan Ming, are you crazy? How dare you fight back? This will only anger Brother G. Okay, you've got guts, daring to resist. I was just thinking of setting an example to warn the others, and now you can be that example. Xuanyuan Ming, quickly kneel down, and apologize to Big Brother G, you can still suffer less. Get lost.
Who are you scolding, Xuanyuan Ming? You really lack manners. Are you aware that Wi-Fi is helping you?